Business owners using AI to craft their marketing strategy and content are on the rise. You heard it here first. And the ability to increase productivity with an endless source of inspiration is no longer a novelty, but a staple in everyday email marketing.
According to Venture Forward, a research initiative by GoDaddy, 1 in 4 small and micro business entrepreneurs have used AI for business. And Venture Forward found 44% of owners agree that using AI will help them compete with larger businesses over the next year. In this lesson, we'll explore how to use AI for email marketing strategy as we continue to improve our marketing efforts through this course, AI and Email Marketing.
AI can be used for so many things that it can be overwhelming. So we'll stick just within the view of email marketing. Among the elements marketers use AI for are content personalization, retargeting, subject line optimization, dynamic content generation, send time optimization, and predictive analytics for customer behavior. Did you know all that, Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for sure. And lately, many of these uses have been baked right into email marketing platforms, including tools that allow personalization and segmentation of email lists. Now, analytics in your email marketing platform will often use AI to help interpret results for future improvements.
Yeah, and we'd love to hear in the comments how you're using AI currently. We'll respond. And with GoDaddy Airo, you can use GoDaddy tools with a seamless AI integration to generate ideas for your business and domain names, create a professional logo, and a fully designed website. You can generate social media posts and a calendar. And to top all of this off with GoDaddy Payments to process transactions online and in person. Now you're in business. And we'll discuss tools in a later lesson. But for now, let's focus on using a generative AI model to achieve an email marketing strategy outside of your chosen email marketing platform's AI features.
In the last lesson, we discussed using AI to help with your social channels to increase email subscribers. However, prompting has become a language of its own, and the most effective prompts require a templated format. For this reason, we've created a resource for this course that includes how to craft your prompt for a generative AI chatbot like ChatGPT. The link to download is available in the description under this video, but first, what is an AI prompt?
I'm glad you asked. A prompt is an input, a text command, or a question provided to an AI model to generate a desired output, such as content or an answer. And prompting provides a cue to an AI language model, and it's crucial for obtaining high-quality responses from generative AI models like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot. The resource download provides a whole breakdown of how to craft these prompts, beginning with what role the chatbot should take, and ending with the context and objective of what you want it to deliver. Go ahead, play around with it as you find a rhythm for how AI can further guide your email marketing strategy.
Love finding the rhythm. And when you find the rhythm, you're able to have effective prompts that are clear, specific, and tailored to the task at hand, which can improve the accuracy and relevance of the generated response. Consider what you want the AI to accomplish and prompt it to get you there. While it may take some extra effort to craft effective prompts, the high-quality responses that you'll receive, well, it's gonna make it worthwhile.
When you use AI effectively, it's basically like having a chief marketing officer at your disposal to assist with your marketing game, like keeping your target audience in mind or identifying what holidays are coming up for promotions and sales and content recommendations. Now let's explore 4 prompts from our resource guide to assist you with practicing how to prompt and craft your email marketing strategy. And hey, the good news is that you can often skip crafting the perfect prompt yourself. You can actually ask AI to ask you what it needs to know. Now let's look at what we mean as we prompt AI to help us with personalized marketing.
Let's dig into it. Insert the prompt, act as a chief marketing officer, and ask me a series of questions to better understand the range of customers we have as an online dog food retail shop. Off my answers, determine the best ways to use personalized marketing. This may include what our email sign-up form should ask, how we can segment our subscribers, and the types of email campaigns we should send.
Ooh, I'm excited for that output. Generative AI like ChatGPT will retain the previous information within a chat. And this is how it excels at having an ongoing conversation. So within the same chatbot, you can now ask additional questions and it will retain the information you already fed it. Now that it knows the types of customers you have, prompt for other email marketing strategies like when is the best time to send emails to our lists and how frequently should we send emails based on the customers described.
Oh, I love that. We're getting deep. Okay.
I know.
Now, to create an effective email marketing strategy, you need to analyze past results. Again, leverage the same AI chatbot conversation and use the following prompt. Acting as a chief marketing officer, ask me a series of questions to better understand which email marketing campaigns are leading to new clients and increasing sales. From the information you receive, suggest a strong email marketing campaign to get more clients and increase sales.
I could do this all day. And with this prompt, you don't have to worry about which analytics to track down. AI will ask you for them. However, this is only if you work with an AI model that retains the customer demographic and business information you provided earlier.
Additionally, you can use it to analyze data you copy and paste from your email marketing platform. For example, you could ask, in a moment, I will input a list of statistics from our email marketing platform. Act as a data analyst to sift through these email analytics numbers, identifying the most important numbers for customer engagement and sales. Generate a prioritized list of tasks to improve what you find, ranking them by priority.
And what's nice about writing prompts like this is that they are clear and concise. Goals, what I always hope to be, clear and concise. And rather than just asking for a chatbot to give you an email marketing strategy, you are breaking it down into specifics that help it achieve the desired results.
Now, this is pretty important. For security reasons, you shouldn't enter sensitive data in an AI chatbot. You should always be careful about results, checking for bias, plagiarism, and fact-checking bold claims.
That's right, and keeping that in mind, where AI can shine is in generating content for your email strategy, which we will explore in the next lesson, using AI to generate email content.